Hi, Pete from Californian Classics, another one of our how-tos. This time we're focusing on a 64 to 66 Karmann GHIA door latch. This is a 1964 to 66 door latch mechanism. We're going to rebuild it with one of our rebuild kits that we sell on our website, www.californianclassics.co.uk. We're going to take from this to like this. Okay, so basically, first off, I'll show you how to take one of these apart. It's quite a simple process. Simply screwdriver in the back, like so. It says, doesn't want to come apart, as always, like this. And you'll see all the crusty old parts inside. Comes apart like that. The black parts is missing. It's always worth keeping the spring because the repair kits don't tend to come with a spring, so if we've got them in stock, we add them in, but often they don't come with a spring. So basically, these are three components that are needed. It's quite a simple job. And this is the part that's actually missing from this, and this is why your door won't stay shut. Okay, so that should be sitting in there like so, but there we go. Okay, so put this one off to one side. In sort of true Blue Peter style, here's one that we took apart earlier. So first off, if you note, that inside the mechanism, there's a little tiny, it's a bit sticking up there, and that's what the spring presses against. So, here we go. This chappy sits in there like so. This part, it's quite a simple one. It sits on there and it will sit in there. So the trick is to get him in there, but with a spring in. So what I tend to do is I kind of set the spring in first, sit that on there, push that down onto that, but not all the way. Sometimes it's easier to just lift the black piece out, compress it down, and drop the black piece back in, like so. Oh, that's not supposed to happen, but here we go again. So, put the spring in there, compress it down. The black piece goes in nicely this time, hopefully. Once that's all in place, like so, oh, it's popping out again, like so, simply cover back on, and that's it. Simple as that. Nice, easy fix. The kits are relatively cheap. These bad boys are quite expensive to get. One like this, new old stock one, is £160. The service kit is just under £40. So effectively, it's a good quick way to make your door latch mechanisms work again for a 64 to 66 GHIA. As I say, Pete from Californian Classics, one of our how-tos. If you want to see more things like this, then subscribe to our YouTube channel here. And as I say, like and share. Thank you very much.